So now I will talk about assure, ensure, insure. Difference between assure, ensure or insure. Assure means to tell another person something to remove doubt or anxiety. I was afraid we would miss the flight, but my husband assured me we had get to the airport in time. I assure you that the water here is perfectly safe to drink. After assure, we always have a person assure you, assure him, assure her, etc. And now I will talk about ensure. Ensure is something you do to guarantee or specific result. We ordered 10 pizzas to ensure that there would be enough food for everybody. Please send the document by express mail to ensure that it arrives on time. Now I will talk about insure, spelled with an I. Insure is when you get a financial plan to pay for any damage or loss to a person or thing. This is related to the word insurance, such as health insurance, car insurance. For example, our house is insured against fires, floods, and theft.